Hey YouTube, my name is Andrew Federico. You can call me Andy. Most people call me Andy. I am the owner of AJF Reptiles, and I wanted to just give you a little rundown of who I am, and you'll probably be seeing videos from me in the future, and hopefully I'll get better at this. I'm not a YouTuber yet. I'm just barely getting my feet wet, just trying this stuff. But I wanted to let you know who I am. AJF Reptiles. I've bred all kinds of reptiles, from boas, lizards, turtles, you name it, ball pythons. But I want to share my experience and hopefully teach some people things that I know I've learned, and just get on YouTube. So, you know, things that I'll be producing, they'll be available. I have a Facebook account. It's Andrew J. Federico, Federico. A lot of people always end up putting an R in there, Frederico, but it is Federico. Great Irish name, right? Anyway, I wanted to let people know who I am, maybe give it a little test for YouTube and see how this thing works. And I've done YouTube videos. I have some posted. They're from years back, maybe 8 to 10 years ago, and you know, a lot of them, I was doing boas at the time, and I'd try and post up some videos just to let people see what I was making. And you know, back then we just had forums, and now we've got all kinds of things. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube is bigger than ever. So I just wanted to do some testing and see what's, you know, how this thing is going to work. I want to share my insight with you and hopefully teach you some things if you're interested. Please subscribe to my channel. It's just in its infancy. It's just beginning, just starting out. So if you've been a subscriber, I appreciate it, and thank you. The last I looked, I had quite a few subscribers, but we'll see how this is going to go. I'm going to hopefully post up some new videos every so often, hopefully eventually once a week. I can't promise that right yet, but if you're a subscriber, hopefully it'll be coming up in your news feed of what to watch for new videos. Anyway, I'm going to focus on mainly ball pythons right now. It's what I chose to do to get back into the hobby. I've been out of it for a number of years. Eventually I'll tell my story and how I ended up where I'm at, but I just wanted to, you know, make a video and see how this goes. I tried posting one a little while ago, actually, and for some reason when I uploaded it, everything came out distorted. So if this video stays up, it's because I felt like it wasn't distorted, and it'll give me a good test run to see how things work here. I wanted to show you my reptile room that I built, tell you a couple things about it. So I'm going to switch it over to the other camera, hopefully. And I don't see how to do that. I guess I can't right now. All right. So, so this video is basically just to get to know who I am. AJF Reptiles is my initials, of course. And so you can subscribe to me on Facebook, send me a message, and add me on your friends list. Hopefully, as things get rolling, I'm going to have a lot of animals produced, and they'll become available. So that's it. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.